Hey guys, so I'm super excited because we're launching a new product that is perfect for summer. This is our aloe vera gel, period, the end. Like, that's what it is. So I'll show you up close. That's what she looks like. We've got an 8 ounce for $16 and a 2 ounce for $6. Very, very reasonably priced. So you've got one for home, or if you have kids, you might need to take the 8 ounce with you, and a little bitty for you to just kind of have to throw in your beach bag. So if someone does get burned at the beach, you can have this and you don't have to wait till you get home to, you know, address it properly. So why did you come out with aloe vera gel, Erin, since I can get it at every drugstore? Here's why. Last summer, I get emails and calls from friends and clients saying, I know that I'm supposed to wear sunscreen all the time, but I didn't, and I got burned, so what should I do? So I would always say, okay, find an aloe vera on the corner store, at your local pharmacy, drugstore, you know, kind of shop that isn't green, should be clear, and doesn't have added fragrance, because fragrance can kick up irritation. Y'all, it is hard to find that in the world. So I was like, okay, I guess we're doing aloe vera, but how can we make it better? So obviously I actually tried straight aloe vera gel, straight organic aloe vera, just that's it. And I didn't like it. I wanted the cooling sensation that can come along, that we associate with it, that's usually from chemicals, but not in this one. So what's in this one that makes it feel like that, but isn't the bad stuff? So we've got the organic aloe as, you know, the big base. Then I have 3 anti-inflammatories in here that are gonna hook you up and just baby sing you lullabies to sleep while you put it on your skin. So there's organic go-to cola, which sounds like something my husband would drink, organic dandelion, and horsetail extract. So all of those 3 things are living to just soothe your soul and your skin. So obviously you can do this after sunburn. I love this little one to carry around. You can also use these if someone gets a burn from the oven, if you get a rash, if you get a plant that irritates your skin. Anything that is irritation, this is safe for face and body and little people. Any age can use this. It's not gonna hurt anybody. And I think you're really gonna like them. So I'm excited. They're up on the site right now. Aloe vera gel, the Erin's Faces way. Thanks.